Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I created this smoky halo eye and a rhinestone liner look. I don't know, this just came together. Originally I just wanted to do a rhinestone liner because I did this Ariana Grande rhinestone makeup look on my Instagram, and ever since then I was just obsessed with rhinestones. So I thought I'd do this, and I think it came out so pretty. It's a halo eye, it's a rhinestone liner look. So if you would like to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start with prepping my skin with this. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus in the original variant. I'm going to let it completely dry down and then move on to some exciting bits. I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. I've heard so many good things about this, so I really wanted to give this a try. By the way, I'm officially a Colorbar Pro member, and you can use my discount code, which will be on the screen and also in the description box, and you can get 20% off your entire order. I will link the website and also mention my code in my description box. So this is how the actual component of the primer looks like. It looks so luxe and pretty. Does not feel too oily or greasy at all. Actually feels really soothing and smooth. So I'm going to color correct underneath my eyes and also my acne spots. I'm going to use the a.k.a. Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige. Now taking my favorite makeup sponge, this is a damp sponge from Wet n Wild. I'm going to blend all of this out. So this concealer on its own is pretty bomb, and I've been using it for years. The primer is actually helping it stick super well to the skin, and also since it is a hydrating primer, it is giving my skin an amazing glow. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in Natural Buff, and I'm going to use an extremely small amount because I've used a lot of concealer already. So you want to avoid putting any kind of foundation on your under eye area if you've already used a color correcting concealer like I have. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand to highlight. I think highlighting makes the biggest difference. Okay, so now let us set our face, and for that I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Transparent. This has become my favorite ever since I got it. This is the only thing that I want to use because it's so good. It doesn't look too heavy on your skin, but it keeps you matte pretty much all day long. On the eyes, I'm going to use the Colorbar. It's a Scandal Kajal, and look at how pretty the packaging is. I mean, come on. I'm going to try to do like a quick halo eye. I'm going to create a wing with this, and I'm going to blend it out lightly. So I'm also going to put it on my inner corners only here, okay? Blend this out as well. I'm taking the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. I'm going to take the contour shade from this, and I'm placing it on this line and blending it. Can you see how there was a harsher line here and now it looks much more blended? We're going to repeat that to this. I'm taking this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Eyeshadow Quad thing, and this is in Rose Nude. I'm going to pick up this shade on my brush. I'm going to place it in the center of my eyelid. I mean, look at the difference between this eye and this eye. so stunning. Also for this entire eye look, I've only used one brush. From the same quad, I'm taking this cool toned light taupe shade and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. And connect it to my wing here. I'm taking the same Wet n Wild palette to contour. For blush, I'm using the Colorbar Cheekillusion blush. This is in the shade Coral Craving, or is it Coral? I don't have a blush that is this bright peach, and yeah, it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's extremely fine and extremely tiny, so I don't mind that. But if it was also, it's extremely pigmented. Wow. I like to apply my blush like this in an upwards motion because it kind of lifts your face. And please never like smile whilst applying your blush. You can smile to kind of find where your apples of the cheeks are, and when you smile and apply the blush here, just see what happens when I stop smiling. It literally came down to here, and this can drag your face down, so you always want to apply blush to the upper parts of the cheeks. When there's almost no product left on my brush, I also like to apply a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit here. I absolutely fell in love with using rhinestones. I thought I'd do kind of a little bit more wearable rhinestone look, although can rhinestones ever be wearable in real life? I don't know, but it's so fun. I got this from Amazon, and if I can find it, I will link it. So this comes with 3 sizes of the rhinestones. I'm going to use the smallest size. So all you want to do is take your lash glue. I'm taking the PAC Lash Fixer eyelash adhesive. You want to dot it where you want to put your rhinestone. I then pick up my rhinestone with a tweezer and place it on the glue, and it sticks immediately. And now you just want to apply it along your lash line and create sort of a liner look. I think the trick is to do only 2 dots of the glue at once. I have the rhinestone here and I'm going to place it on the glue. It's literally that easy. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara in black. You can also do false lashes. That would really take the look to the next level. I say this every time, but I truly mean it. I'm taking the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in Totally Toffee. I'm also taking the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Trendsetter. And the lipstick, I'm literally just dabbing a little bit. Now taking the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid collab lipstick. This is in Taura. You can take any like super light nude. For highlighter, I'll use this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. This is a completed look. Tell me in the comments down below, do you like it? Because I seem to really have fallen in love with rhinestones. They're so much fun. Alright guys, with that we come to an end to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I post exclusive content on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.